Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on Nvidia control panel. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to open up your Nvidia control panel, and as you can see, mine is in English, and simply to change it, you can go ahead and close your Nvidia control panel, go ahead and search, write down registry editor, right click on it and run as administrator. After that, click yes, and this will open up. Now you will see something like so, and you want to click on H key current user, then click this arrow button. After that, you will see all of these options. You want to choose software and then find Nvidia Corporation, just like I did. Again, click on the arrow, then Nvidia Control Panel 2. Again on the arrow, and then you will see client. On client, you want to go ahead and create a new folder, which is called dword 32-bit, and here you want to write down user defined locale, just like so. Then right click on it and modify, and here you will need to enter value data, which is your language. So you want to go ahead, you can go ahead on, for example, Google, and write down language codes for Nvidia control panel. And here you will see all of the codes. I'm just going to use Dutch for today. And then you're going to click modify, enter the value, click OK, and then show more options. And then Nvidia control panel is already changed to Dutch language. As you can see, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.